the truth about affiliate marketing that nobody's going to tell you. You're going to hear things like easy money, fast money, make 5,000, 10,000 a month, but they're not telling you the truth. Hey, I'm Jamie Williams. This is the RiddlesBendMedia channel, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let's dive right in because this is a big topic. I see a lot of fake gurus out there promising the world, but just not delivering, which is wrong. It gives all of us, affiliate marketers a bad name because, they're people are just doing it wrong. Yes, can you make 5,000 a month? Can you make 10,000? Yes, but they're not telling you the amount of work that's necessary in order to get there, or the amount of time. It may take you 6 months. It may take you a year before you really start making money. And you really want to have an advisor and a mentor because it's going to speed things up. Because if you're trying to watch videos and people trying to tell you how to do something, how to do affiliate marketing, well, they're going to leave stuff out. They're not going to tell you the truth. They're just going to give you a little bit of information, but they're not going to give you the overall big picture. Because they're probably not going to talk about a funnel. They're not going to talk about an email campaign. They're not going to talk to you about ads. Do you buy ads? Do you buy emails? There's a lot of things out there you can do, to help support you. You can buy ads. You can do all this kind of stuff. But how? What is the right way to do it? How do you do affiliate marketing? And if you're new and you don't know what affiliate marketing is, you're basically promoting other people's products. You don't have to worry about shipping. You don't worry about customer service. You don't have to worry about returns. You're going to go to a website where there's Amazon, Walmart, and you're going to scroll down to the bottom. It'll say something like partners or affiliates. You fill it out. You become an affiliate. They'll give you a unique link. Then you can start promoting stuff. And when you make a sale, you get a commission. That's affiliate marketing, in a nutshell. It's not complicated, but it's not easy either. You're going to hear words like easy money, all this kind of stuff. Don't fall for it. It's like any brick and mortar business other than we're not a brick and mortar. We're doing it from our living room, or in my case, I'm doing it from my home office. In all this, one thing about having your own business, it's a tax write-off. So that's another thing. There's a lot of things that they're not going to tell you, and there's a lot of benefits, especially if you turn it into an LLC, that you can, do for taxes. But that's a different story, different video. But right now, I want to talk to you about affiliate marketing and what you really need to get involved. You can watch videos, but I would highly recommend, especially if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, just remember there's no shipping, there's no customer service, and there's no returns. So that's the beauty of affiliate marketing. You can do it anywhere, anytime. All you need, laptop, tablet, and you're set. Some good internet. But the key is a training. You definitely, if you're new to it, you definitely don't want to just dive in because you're going to get frustrated and quit. That's just all there is to it. And that's the biggest thing that you see. All these gurus saying it's easy, 30 minutes is all you need, 15 minutes is all you need. Well, that's not true. You need to put time in it. It's like any other business. If you want to quit that 9-to-5 grind, then you need to be willing to sacrifice some of your time in order to get financial freedom, and get your time freedom back. But you got to put a little time in order to get time back. That's just the way it works. If you want that financial freedom, if you want the time freedom, then you need to put some time in, sacrifice some time now, whether it's on a weekend, whether it's after you get off and you've been working on that 9-to-5 grind. That's the part that people are not going to tell you. They're not going to tell you it takes time. It may, you may work at this, but if you get an advisor, a mentor, not only are you learning, but you're getting help. You're getting help where, other people who are just going along, say the long ranger route, they're just struggling. But this way, if you got a mentor and advisor, they're going to tell you what works, what doesn't work. Do this, do that. Do I pay for ads, or do I just try to, you know, get some free stuff? Like free, some TikTok, that kind of stuff, and build up my email list. Because that's one thing, you got to do. You got to build up your email list. You got to build a funnel. They're probably not going to tell you all this stuff, but we walk you through it. We hold your hand, walk you through it, tell you step by step. Is it a good idea to run ads on Bing? Is it a good idea to do Google ads, Facebook and all that? Because, you got to remember, social media, you can get banned for anything. If you make one little boo-boo when you're running an ad, next thing you know, you're banned. Then you got to send some emails saying, I'm sorry, my bad. I won't do it again, to get reinstated. But it takes time. It's just aggravating. Sometimes it's not even worth it. But, if you got to, but some people do it and they do it well, and we got people who do it well. They'll show you the right way so you don't get banned. And that's, knowing is half the battle. That's the key. It's just having the experience of people who have been, making 6 and 7 figures for years, hold your hand and tell you what works and what doesn't work, because there's nothing frustrating than trying and trying and trying and nothing, you're not seeing results. It may be because you're not following instructions, but then again, it may be, you're just doing something wrong. Well, that's why you got a mentor and advisor. They're going to stop it before it gets that far, but then they'll also show you the right way. Gurus, they're not going to tell you all that stuff. They're not going to tell you need a mentor and advisor. They're just going to throw a little bit of information at you and say, here you go do it. It's easy. It's not true. I mean, it's not hard. It's not super difficult, but with training, hey, makes it a lot easier. And if you want to know how to do it the right way, just check out the link in the description. I mean, and we can get started. You're going to bypass all the frustration and all that, or you can sit there for days on end, not making any money. But if you want next year better than this year, if you think your financial future was bad this year, if you don't make a change, it ain't going to be no better next year. So keep that in mind. So let's get going and let's get your time back and your financial future, because there's only one way to do it. And that's to click the link in the description. Let's get going today.